Hello, so welcome to the channel. So today we are gonna make a paper origami bird. So let's get straight into the video. First, take a rectangular paper. If you have a square paper, a good square paper, you can take that. But I have a rectangular paper, so I am gonna make I have a rectangular paper, so I'm gonna make it a square. Let us see how to make it a square. Now fold these ends equally. Then you have to cut it. You can take a scale or a scissor. Here you go. Then you have a good square. Then fold it like this. And like this. Now take it and do like this. Okay? Then make it like this. It's like a cone shape. Then make it to the same side again. It should not fold to this side. Okay? Then we have to do it like this. In the side equally. Then we have to make the beak and the eyes part is here. Then like this. Okay, let me take a pen and make a eyes. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.